For me, Elite Gamers. Today I will be pranking my mum. I'm going to get some shaving cream and put it all over her face. Bear a sec. Hey Mum.
Hey boo. Oh, you monkey.
Oh my God. No! That's out of order.
And that wasn't.
No, that was quite funny.
Not funny.
That was funny.
Not funny. And I don't want it